how robots could give us more daily leisure time and begin to close the gendered division of labor. With advancements in technology, we've already seen robots replacing many manual labor jobs. But what does this mean for our daily lives, especially in terms of gender roles and responsibilities? Let's start with the idea of daily leisure time. With robots performing tasks that used to require human labor, we could potentially have more time for leisure activities. This means that we could spend more time with family and friends, pursue hobbies and interests, or simply relax and unwind. And this isn't just a hypothetical idea. We're already seeing the effects of automation in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and retail. But what about the gendered division of labor? Traditionally, women have been responsible for household chores like cooking, cleaning, and childcare, while men have been responsible for paid work outside the home. However, with the rise of robots and automation, these gender roles could be disrupted. Robots could perform household tasks more efficiently, freeing up time for both men and women to pursue other activities. This could help to close the gendered division of labor, allowing for more flexibility and equality in how we divide our time and responsibilities. In conclusion, robots have the potential to give us more daily leisure time and begin to close the gendered division of labor. While there are certainly challenges and potential drawbacks to consider, it's clear that automation and robotics will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives. As we move forward, it will be important to consider how we can harness the benefits of this technology to create a more equitable and enjoyable future for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.